Dear my colleagues, I would like to invite you our next hands-on training, which held in Athens between the dates of 22nd to 24th of September. The aim of this training is to provide you self-confident about high-def liposculpture. It involves safe fat removal techniques as well as fat transfer to the chest, arms and gluteal area safely. Still, we are hearing lots of complications after body reshaping surgeries. Therefore, we also focus tips and tricks that help you to stay away complications. We all know in order to achieve the best results, we have to get enough training and follow the safe protocols. Unless we have experience with technology and surgical protocols, complications can occur. Step by step, from preoperative markings till postoperative care, you will find lots of pearls that change your approach and make your life easier. You should be ready to work hard with me dusk till dawn. I'm glad to tell you on behalf of ECAM's family, our first privilege is yours and your patient's safety. So our course main difference is you will see everything transparently and you get chance to perform under your mentor's observation. I am looking forward to be with you in Athens.